Do you want to start creating content but feel shy, stuck, or unsure where to begin? Good news! AI can help you create amazing videos, posts, and designs without ever showing your face. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and VO3 are changing everything. You can write scripts, generate visuals, and even get voiceover all automatically. You don't need to be a pro or have followers. You just need an idea, and AI will help you bring it to life. Most people think creating content is about showing your face or being perfect on camera, but what really matters is your message. AI gives you the power to share your message confidently, even in private. You can use animation, stock, video, or voiceover, all powered by AI. Here's how to start. Choose your topic, something you love. Use ChatGPT to write a script. Use Canva or VO3 to create the visuals. Use CapCut or Pictory to edit and add voice. You'll be shocked how professional it looks, even if it is your first videos. Every good creator starts small. What matters is starting now. AI is the shortcut you have been waiting for. It saves time, builds confidence, and help your idea reach more people. So today, pick one idea and create it with AI. Don't wait, create.